back to the channel. So if y'all watching this video, y'all most likely should have already seen the first video when I put this wig on. Oh my god, it was horrible. The color is just not for me. It's too yellow. So what I decided to do was I decided that I am going to dye it pink. So here's my hair dye right here. I am going to be using the water method. So I do got my pot of water boiling already. And then I got me some gloves. I just got my nails done. I don't need those, turn it pink. My shampoo and my conditioner. And this is Ion, I believe it's called. This is purple. It's called Flamingo. I got it from Sally's. Where I live at, they don't have one of those beauty supplies that I would normally go to. So I had to go to Sally's and get this. I got 3 boxes. Hopefully this is enough. What I'm gonna do is basically just pour the dye in the water, mix it all up, and then we're going to dip the hair in, let it sit for a little bit, and then that's it, and we should have some pink hair. So I will get back to y'all when it's time to do the next step. Okay y'all, so I have all 3 dyes right here ready to put in the water. I've seen a lot of videos. Some say that the water should be warm, some say it should be hot. This hasn't even started really boiling yet, so I'm gonna just turn this off and use it like that. I got this spoon I'm gonna use to mix it up. I got this from a Dollar Tree, so this shouldn't be a total loss if it does get ruined. And now we're going to, oh yeah, I got this for the napkin test. We're gonna stick that in the water to see if it's the color that we want it. So let's go ahead and pour this in. This is like the easiest way to dye hair so far that I've seen. This is, mind you, this is my first time doing this, so we're gonna see what it do. Now we're gonna do the napkin test. Oh wait, I see it already working now. Hold on now. Okay, yep, we're good to go. Okay, so I did end up adding the last container of color, only because the hair did turn pink, but the top of it, like, let's see, y'all can see this. Like the top is still kind of, see, we can see like the streaks of light pink. I don't know, that might be cute though, but it's only on one side and that won't be cute. So I'm gonna just, actually now I'm gonna just dip the top of it in, not the bottom, just the top of it in. Okay y'all, so for one, this is way darker than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like a baby pink color. And when I did the tissue test, it did kind of look dark, and I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, so this is how it looks. It still does have some blonde streaks in it. What I'm thinking though, I'm thinking that I might just cut it into a bob, because I'm not with the color, for one. Not this dark at least. I think I might cut it into a bob and see how that looks. I'm gonna put it on, let it air dry and straighten it, and then see what I'm gonna do. But I'm thinking I'm gonna do a middle part with a bob. But I'm gonna let this air dry for a few hours, and then we will be back when we go lay it. Gonna kill me? This is the final look, y'all. Y'all remember all that shit Jaquel was talking in the grocery store? She just said, oh yeah, that's cute. Stop lying.